got the hydraulics line fixed. What the hell am I doing? Back up further than that. Fucking idiot. Fucking idiot. See how the truck pow does, eh? Oh my goodness. Ooh, that is a fucking serious leak. Where is that coming from? Got coolant pissing out of the radiator. That plug's friggin' sealed. Got fuel cascading down the side of the block. It's going to be expensive to run that big of a leak. Ooh. Oh. There she is. Very back line. She no good. Wonder words about that. Okay. Fucking $62 just put in this fucking thing. It's a little bit iffy forward and reversing, or getting into the reverse. You really gotta hammer it. It won't just dig in. You gotta just fucking have a run and start at it. Terrible. But hopefully we can get this done today. That'd be great. That'd be friggin' great. Yeah, I was lucky I could dump it right up the road here. Otherwise I would have had to dump her 15 minutes away. This is only 2 minutes away, if that. A little bit scared. Makes me nervous. Oh, it worked. Thank you, Sigurd. Got some aspergrass bushes. This took 8 or 7 goes, but we got the leaks fixed. Ends are all greasy. Can't even hang on to the key. Got about 11:57, so the friggin' berm gone. Ooh, careful. That's a load. This one's a load here. Is a load. Ended up using my friggin' tool that I made, and a couple 1/4-inch extensions and a 1/4-inch ratchet, because it's the only one that would fit in there. I was able to get it tight enough to not leak. Of course. Now, boys, what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slicks loads so far. 6 or 7. There was a bunch. We moved a bunch of dirt. Playing trapter. It doesn't leak now. What's up with that? Finally, we're able to play trapter, boys. Holy suffering. Look at the loads are getting bigger and bigger every time too. It's like I'm trying to wreck my shed or something, but yeah, the tires are square on the bottom. I don't know what the fuck's going on, but yeah, we're banging them out now. Hey, look at that. Look at the berm, boys. Decent friggin' peony. What berm? That took up a lot of real estate in the yard. There, it did. We'll be able to park all type of fancy pantry over there. Well, I want to build a greenhouse for the old too muchy gardoon where the berm was, because it gets not lots of the sun. So if anybody, you know, has an old greenhouse they want to get rid of, or friggin' something, a 40 foot by, you know, 8, 10, 12 foot anyway, you know what I mean? A little bit of the gardoon. We'll get that trailer back there. We'll have another gardoon at the back of the property. And we'll make all type of how much or other things. That's a big one. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah, that's a load. Friggin' rights, boys. I'm a trapter. I'm a traptersman. I'm a friggin' traptersman, boys. I like them apples. Look at the berm, boys. Goodness gracious words. Oh my goodness gracious words. Oh! Oh! Trapter's probably got like a 8% duty cycle, so you know, drive it, load it, you know, should be all, man. That's no good. Where's Piss Beer and Cigarettes and his buddy? Bumpers. That's all I ever see him doing, bucking. Oh yeah. Son of a bitch.
Next time you should let me stand there and hang on and film outside. Holy! Leaf bug just tried to under attack you.
Does he love getting pats on his belly?
Whoa!
What? That's enough out of you.
Big fly at me.
Try to pet his belly.
Careful.
He's just trying to pet his belly. He loves petting his on his belly. Look, he loves it.
Yeah.
He loves petting on his belly. The wildlife. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, everything was going so great. Now big trapter won't start. Big trapter won't start. Little trapter garbagey. Won't even touch the sides. Digging into this shit. It's just rock hard. Some terrible. Is that a trapter fossil? Huh? Is that a friggin' saber-tooth tiger's claw? Look at the schmelting operation we got going on in Inwood, boys. Oh my goodness. I had to make a wrench to fix that leak. For sakes, but any words, I quit. Buddy wants to come with his little trapter and finish the rest. That'd be fucking awesome, but I don't know if he's gonna or not. But yeah, I freaking quit. We got some aspergrass bushes here. Got some aspergrass. But let's see what he says. Anyways, boys, friggin' rights. Berm's pretty well gone. Hopefully Buddy wants to come back with his little trapter. Frig, that thing's awesome. It's just amazing how much chooch that little bastard has. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe we'll sell off the traptors and put a down payment on something like that. But that thing's not going to lift cars. Oh, not that friggin' John Deere will. Anyways, the friggin' this piece of shit. I mean, it's all right, you know, around the phone, but I don't know. I'll have to figure out forks or something, I guess. Whatever, but anyways, boys, let me know what you think. Friggin' terrible situation in Inwood. Broom's fucking gone, boys. Broom's fucking gone. Oh, what are we ever gonna do? But anyways, a couple bitches from her and we put there you go, another dick power on Doug. Until tomorrow.
On to Walker's Kitchen.